Turn big, turn big. Just be big. Slowly, you can do slowly. This one the normal one, this is extra egg.
Oh, this is the egg one.
The egg one, extra egg one.
You want the normal one?
Okay, can take for you one.
Yeah, I'll take away.
Take away now.
Boss, how long have you been selling?
26 years. 26, 27 years like this year.
That's a lot of years.
Yeah.
Boss, you open every day?
Every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
What time is your business hours?
7:30 to 11. Okay, boss. Boleh. Right? Yeah. We have it here? Yeah. You can sit here also, the coffee is nice. The coffee is nice here. Yeah.
Yeah, local. Like, where are you from? Ramban. Ramban. I see it is Ramban. Yeah. Yeah, this one is famous.
It's famous.
Like 2 days, 2 days. Like crazy, you know.
This is the cheese one.
Oh, cheese.
That's why the apom is big.
Yeah.
One egg make two.
Oh.
This is for the cheese. Okay. Yeah, no mind. The same price. Okay. Only one. Yeah. Alright, it's not hot. You can go. Come this side. I start with him first.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, like this. Break the egg. One egg one. This is one egg one. Okay, you come this side. Put the flour. I put the flour. You just stir.
Alright.
Okay? Come this side. Come this side.
Okay.
Huh? Good. Be ready, eh?
Yeah.
I put only mustard.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Satu ah, lima. Satu ni ah. Macam ni ah. Okay. Okay now. Come ni. Come ni. Okay. Now, turn. Turn big. Turn big. Just be big. Slowly. You can do slowly.
Very fun.
Nice.
Mini one, mini.
Yeah.
Yes.
Take away.
Yeah, take away.
Okay, this is yours.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
These are all crispy.
Yeah, very crispy.
Very
nice.
crispy.
And not too sweet.
Yeah.